In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of all devices on Amazon Prime Video. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you suspect that someone else might be using your account without permission, or if you've simply shared your login information in the past and want to start fresh. Let's dive into the process. First things first, what you'll want to do is navigate to primevideo.com and log into your account. This is your starting point. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the Prime Video URL. Once the page loads, find the Sign In button and enter your email and password. Make sure you're using the account from which you intend to log out of all devices. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate your profile icon. This is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will display a drop-down menu with various options. Now, seek out the option labelled Account and Settings and give it a click. This will lead you to a new page where you'll find a range of settings that you can adjust for your account according to your preferences. On the Account and Settings page, direct your attention to the tabs available. Look for the Devices tab. Clicking on this tab will give you a list of all the devices currently connected to your account. This list is a good way to see if there are any unknown devices signed into your profile, especially if you're experiencing strange activity on your account. Now here's the step that will help you log out of Amazon Prime Video on all those devices. Once you're in the Devices section, you'll notice a Sign Out option next to each device listed. If you want to log out of all devices, you'll need to click Sign Out for each one individually, while Amazon Prime Video doesn't provide a one-click solution to sign out of all devices at once. Taking the time to individually sign out of each device ensures that your account remains secure and that you have full control over who has access to your streaming service. And there you have it. You've now successfully signed out of all devices connected to your Amazon Prime Video account. Remember to keep your login details secure and change them periodically to maintain account security. If you suspect any unauthorized access or activity on your account in the future, you now know how to manage your devices effectively. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks. Stay safe and happy streaming.